Pilipinas.
Ang ganda ng frontline dito ng Pilipinas. Nakita mo, Di Guzman, Intal, Espejo, excellent serve. With Coach Oliver.
Coach Oliver.
And
The
that
coach
forces,
and #1 fan of Team Philippines right now.
That forces the hand of Coach Monchay to call timeout as the Philippines has threatened. Down by only 3 points at 21-18. Overconfidence, pwedeng maging problema rito ng Thailand. Pero para sa atin, di natin problema yan. Isa lang ang tinitignan natin. Yun ay makatawid sa semifinals na kung saan meron na tayong guaranteed bronze medal kung sakasakali. At kung hindi nagawa yan ng ating D-Staff side sa women's event, dito sa men's division, patuloy ang ating mga kababayan sa Singapore.
Suporta po sa ating atleta.
Hindi tayo lumusot sa Vietnam kahapon. Sila Eliza Valdez ay tinalo ng Vietnam 25-16, 25-21, 25-23. At pagamat meron tayong isang panalo kontra sa Malaysia, hindi po naging sapat yun dahil tinalo rin tayo ng Indonesia sa ating kauna-unahang laro in 3 straight sets last June 10. At kahit meron tayong ipinoprotesta roon sa Indonesia, ay hindi po napagbigyan yung ating protesta. Thailand scoring after that timeout. Walang nakamarka.
Quezada.
Oo. At itong si Quezada ay talagang patuloy na kinikiskis ang depensa ng Pilipinas. This ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLD2 Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE for happy family. 22-18 for Thailand. Made that 22-19 as Janvic Di Guzman shows us why he is among the top 10 scorers. One of the top 10 leading scorers dito sa kabuuan ng Southeast Asian Games.
Pinakitaan rin tayo ng angle attack ni Jan De Guzman, knowing that the front line was covered, attack the right side, point given, 3-point lead na lang. But again, that is the fourth service error all to set for Team Philippines. It gives Thailand a 4-point lead.
4-point advantage, only 2 points away from getting to close the deal on this first set. At kung titignan natin yung ating dami ng service errors, ang dami ng kalamangan na hawak ng Thailand laban sa Pilipinas, ang ating binanggit niya. So take a look at Coach Oliver Almagro. Let's try to listen in.
We have to be fast. Pag hindi na service area, we have to meditate. We have to focus. You understand? After each point, tayo naman. Recover na kagad.
One silver medal finish, which happened in the inaugural staging of the volleyball in the Southeast Asian Games in 1977. And 5 third place finishes for Team Philippines: 1979, 1981, 1983, 1991, and in 2005. We missed the last 4 stages of stagings of the Southeast Asian Games, pero ang volleyball po ay hindi inilaro. Hindi na ilaro ng Team Pilipinas sa Southeast Asian Games, pero ngayon tayo muling nagbabalik. Oops! Wrong foot doon si Intal. But Espejo making the adjustment. One-on-one. Naggirit na ang laban dito kay Espejo.
Kumuha ng paraan sa atake ni si Espejo as was supposed to be a point for Thailand. Philippines regroup. Espejo scoring 20-23. Thailand still up by 3.
Paul Moroso getting a rest. Marasigan coming in. Malasa rin dito ang Thailand, looking for one good service reception. Samantalang ang Pilipinas umaasang makakaiwas as Rachel Dakis, Eliza Valdez sinusuportahan itong kanilang mga kasamang national athletes. Combination play, piston play, pinangat yung isa, pumalo yung kabila. 4 set points para sa Thailand dito sa unang set.
Kasi yung depensa ng Pilipinas always worry of Quezada opening up the attack by Jirayu, and set point for Team Thailand.
Covered yung gitna pero pumalo itong si Jirayu. Outside set para dito kay Espejo, ang ating primary outside hitter. Pumalo na naman para sa Team Pilipinas, 24-21. Lamang pa rin dito ang Thailand. Philippines saving 1 set point. Espejo mapupunta sa backline at yan ang frontline ng Team Pilipinas. Nakita mo rito yung ginawa ng setter ng Thailand, Coach Abby.
Quick hit, Coach Ronnie.
Pero lumingon sa kaliwa, ibinigay sa kanan.
Pineke.
Yun ang kanyang misdirection. The Philippines fought hard like that. But itong Thailand had enough experience, enough savvy in them to be able to beat the challenge of Team Pilipinas winning the first set 25-21.
The 28th Southeast Asian Games is presented to you by PLDT Home Fiber, home's most powerful broadband.
I know you're watching over us.
Please, it's really important. I really need to go to this concert.
This is the answer to my prayers. I'm sorry.
Why did you do that?
Because you wanted to look like you.
Watch over them wherever you are with FamCam, only on the reliable family-sized connection of PLDT Home DSL.
Ito ang kwento ng isang tagapagbalita.
Si Red Madrid, I'm a reporter or journalist for a startup online news company. Starstruck ako ngayon, boss.
Ay, grabe ka naman.
Mas gwapo ka pala in person, boss.
Hindi no.
Binatang beautiful mind ang sandata.
Recently, bossing, nag-cover ako ng beauty pageant.
Maigukumpara mo daw ang buhay mo sa beauty queen na si Venus Ra.
Oo naman, bossing, kasi underdog din po yun.
May pang-milyonaryong ending kaya ang istorya niya?
Sa anong sport may sandtrap?
Letter B.
Mahilig ba sa sport?
Yun na nga, bossing, hindi eh. Kung pageant lang to, bossing.
Who wants to be a millionaire?
Is that your final answer?
Final answer.
Alam ko hindi ka mahilig sa sport, pero ang sagot mo parang sigurado ka.
Sure tayo dyan, bossing.
Mamaya, 7 p.m. sa TV5.
Introducing the all-new Smart Postpaid Surplus Plans. Packed with supersized data. Choose freebies every month, plus calls and texts, and the latest smartphones. It's postpaid made smart.
Matapos nating patumbahin ang Vietnam noong quarterfinals, we marched on to face Indonesia sa semifinals ng tennis women's team event. Philippines was off to a rough start as Indonesia's Jessie Rampis downed Clarice Patrimonio in straight sets. Pagdating naman sa second single, naging dikit ang laban ni Filipino-German Katharina Leonard against Lavinia Tananta of Indonesia. After 2.5 hours, na naeg si Katharina to keep our hopes alive. It was down to the doubles para malaman kung sino ang papasok sa finals. And just as they did against Vietnam, the tandem of Leonard and Denise D powered through their foes in straight sets to push the Philippines to the gold medal match kung saan makakalaban natin ang Thailand. Always tune in to Sports 5 for more of Cebuana Lulier Philippines tennis updates in the 28th Southeast Asian Games.
Guys, may 300 MB tayo.
Stock up on data with Smart Big Bites. May apps and sites up to 300 MB, 50 pesos lang for 3 days. May free YouTube pa and more. Text Big 50 to 9999.
This program is brought to you by Smart. Live more.
Ever-energetic Coach Oliver Almagro para sa Team Pilipinas ay sumubok. These highlights are brought to you by Smart. Live more. Makikita natin, kasamang Javi, lumaban naman ang Team Pilipinas, but in the end, yung service errors natin ay naging pasakit sa ating tsansa. At yung critical timeout na tinawag ni Coach Monchay was good enough para sa Thailand na makaiwas sa mabigat na fight back ng Team Pilipinas doon sa bandang dulo ng first set.
4 service errors as we see it on si Rachel Andakis and the rest of the women's volleyball
Si
contingent.
Micah Ortiz yung katabi niya.
As again, Coach Ronnie, 4 service errors at ang mga atake ni Jirayu at Kisada.
Bigat.
Napakabigat. We were not able to contain them, although we had a mini rally somewhat middle of the first set. But
that's Abby Maraño on your TV screens. Kasama, of course,
Eliza Valdez, saka si Dindin Manabat.
Santiago Manabat. And that's Jovelyn Gonzaga also there. And Aiza Maiso na lumipad sa Southeast Asian Games kasama sa coaching staff, did not make the official lineup. At yan yung mga susuriin at hihimayin nila Coach Tai Buntit, nila Coach Roger Guraya para isulong pa ang programa sa women's volleyball. We have found the talent pool. We have found yung mga pamatok natin in terms of the national team. And hopefully, in the next coming months, yung pagsali natin sa international events ay magiging talagang alas ng ating mga manlalaro to gain more valuable experience at higit sa lahat magamit nila yung karanasan dito sa SEA Games para sa kumpiyansa at higit sa lahat sa paniniwala na kaya nating lumaban ng gusto at pumantay dito sa ating rehiyon.
Hopefully, this will be a springboard for our players and coaches to have gained much valued experience in order for us to compete better and to compete harder in the upcoming years.
Mahusay, matulin itong si Quezada at higit sa lahat, Coach Javi, ang hirap bantayan. Hindi lang siya mataas tumalon at mahusay pumalo pero
nakalakas, Coach Ronnie. Baon na baon eh.
Time and again, he has beaten our defense. I was about to say, kailangan ng Team Pilipinas ng magandang panimula dito sa second set dahil mahirap maghabol.
Yes, at sa kumpiyansa lang, Coach Ronnie. Kumpiyansa na we can compete against them, but a strong start by Thailand, 2-0 here in the second set.
This service brought to you by Smart. Live more. Team Pilipinas sumakit ng isang puntos para basagin ang 2 puntos na kalamangan ng Thailand.
Rex Intal with that quick hit of a nice reception of the service of Thailand. 2-1. Thailand still up by 1.
Thailand once again returning the favor.
And once again, Coach Ronnie, a fake by Quezada opening up that attack by Jirayu.
This ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the ultra fast LTE for a happy family. We have the capacity to go for offensive blocks. Pero yung pagbalasa, yung ball distribution dito ng setter ng Thailand, ang hirap basagin. Excellent drop coming from Espejo. At nangiti dito yung
mga taga-Thailand.
Nagulangan sila ni Espejo.
Nagoyo ni Espejo ang kanilang depensa. So see, they were anticipating a strong attack, but a off-timed up. Good point for Team Philippines.
Kitang-kita mo, butas na butas dito sa gilid. And once again, it's Quezada scoring.
Ang Thailand, Coach Rory, knowing where to put the attacks.
Ang galing ng setter talaga. Makikita mo dito yung balasa niya.
Yes, tinitimpla niya. Hindi lang puro si Quezada, hindi si Jirayu, the rest of the squad.
Bihirang service error. At yung puntos na yan, napangiti. Ang ating mga kababayan, napangiting happy.
Alam mo yan, Coach Ronnie?
Ay.
Ting happy.
Dahil matutuwa si Boss Bernard. 4-3 para dito sa Thailand. Once again, balasa. Outside hitter coming into play. Parang yung pag-ere ng mga players ng Thailand.
Parang umaangat lagi.
Lumilipad. Jirayu. Look at this sequence. Back set for Jirayu. 1-on-1 against Espejo. This ultra fast spike is brought to you by PLDT Ultra. Ultra fast LTE for a happy family. At sabi naman ni Torres, meron din kami yan. Made in the Philippines. Malutong din at mahirap bantayan.
And Peter Torres again with that running attack. An emphatic running attack for number 4 of Team Philippines to give a point back to the Blue Shirts.
Better control para kay Espejo. From the back line. Good dig by Intal. Was that Espejo? No, pero hindi na naitawid yung bola. Torres trying to scramble for that second ball. 6-4 para sa Thailand. Second set, winning the first set 25-21.
And what's evident here at the early part of the second set, Coach Ronnie, wala pa po tayong service errors. Remember, in the first set, we had 3 early service errors.